Okay, so we're just gonna grab the ingredients out.
We'll wait for it to get hot.
Oh my god, I just dropped it. Wait, should I put it in here and then like...
Up to you.
No, I need some... Okay, fine. Oh my god. Oh my fuck. Wish I had a fork on me right now.
I just wish you had anything on you right now.
I'll take a spoon right now. Okay, so now I dip this guy in here. And now Sir Nanda is gonna shake it up right in here. Yeah, shake it up real good. Hold up, wait. There's one more step.
Yeah, it's not right.
Yeah, it's not right. We sort of like got it from a tree.
More like you stole it.
I didn't steal it.
Why are you popping it? No! No! Ernesto, no!
No, that's good. Hell yeah, put it in. Oh, that looks so good. Yep, okay, yeah. Take it.
You think he's gonna get diarrhea?
Yeah, of course.
No, why? You guys are gonna taste it as well.
Fuck no.
Why?
Well, there's gonna be bacteria in there.
Do it for the video.
Let's hope the bacteria dies from the heat. You know?
Okay, I'm gonna check back when this thing cooks up. Wait, hold up.
What's the other fish?
Hold up.
No, I'm not eating.
Oh.
I'm not eating that shit.
Okay.
I'm not.
Right there.
Just poured it right here. Just a lot.
There we go. A lot of butter. Okay. Oh wait, I got an idea. That's gonna be seasoned. This is not.
What, you want to taste this without seasoning?
Yeah.
There's already salt in the butter though. Give me.
Alright, let's just. Oh fuck!
That hurts.
Oh no. Let's just pour it. Yeah. Now that's gonna be one bomb fish.
It tastes so bad. It's gonna taste so bad. I just know it.
Just put it.
It's gonna
No.
taste so bad.
No wait. Looks can be deceiving.
Fuck your looks.
Okay, I think it's time to flip this. Okay. Oh my god. Yo, that looks good. Yeah, it does. Shut up. Nanda, it looks good. Look, my fish.
Wait, why is your fish like that? Why isn't the other fish like that?
Mine's filleted.
Why don't you fillet the other one?
Mine's filleted. Look at that. Come on. If that doesn't look like a chicken nugget, I don't know what does.
Fuck you. Look at mine.
Oh, keep it on. Okay, yeah. Yeah.
This one? No butter. It's just butter on this.
So y'all want some eggs?
No.
Okay.
Don't want no eggs.
Y'all know. I'm gonna take this out. And put the fish in.
Give me that then.
No, I'm gonna eat this. Oh no, half. I'm gonna half it. One side's gonna be fish. One side's gonna be chicken.
Bro.
One side's gonna be Nanda.
No, one side's gonna be me. Get on. Oh my god, yeah. There. That looks like a good meal. This one is gonna be for you guys to taste test.
No.
This is gonna be for him.
No. You take it.
No,
I'm not dying.
you're not gonna die. It was caught fresh.
I don't want to have diarrhea.
You're not gonna get diarrhea. Okay, look at this. Oh, yeah. How's that chicken? Not as good as the fish.
It's okay.
Oh, fuck. Flip this. See?
No.
Give me some. Oh, no! No!
Nah, too late.
Yeah, give it to the birds. Oh.
I saved some. Don't worry.
Nah. Get out of here.
How's the taste?
It tastes good, except for the dirt.
Except for the dirt. Okay, I'm gonna first take a bite of the McChicken part. That part. Good. It's perfect. I wouldn't say perfect. It's good. Another bite of the McChicken.
You need some vegetables.
And now, the redfin. Okay. Okay, wait. I need another bite.
It's okay. It's meh.
Like it's there, but I can't describe it.
Keep doing.
Is this your fish?
Yeah, but you can have some.
I want to do a taste test of
Can I just taste? Okay.
Oh, now you want to taste some. Alright,
Yeah,
alright.
The head part.
Alright, okay.
Is it hot?
Look at that. Nice little redfin piece. Why'd you spit it out?
Because I don't like it.
You don't like fish?
Don't like the taste. Yeah, it tastes like any other fish, yeah?
Yeah. Just taste.
My mom's fish tastes better.
Of course.
Plus your mum probably cooked it better than us.
Mhm.
This is a shit way to cook it.
It's like you can eat it, but like why?
Yeah, most people just release redfin back.
My mom definitely cooks it way better.
Let's make scrambled eggs.
I'ma just say the first fish tastes better.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it was breaded
Yep.
and you didn't taste the fish.
Mhm.
But as soon as you taste the fish's natural flavor,
Oh, my friend wants some. Give it some.
Hmm?
Give it some.
fuck it.
Mate, it's right there. Yeah, there you go. No, it's right there. Little
What a-
minor bird right there.
What a head.
What a head. Pass us the knife. How about this one? This one has to be done.
I don't think we should eat that.
Yeah.
More like we don't like the fish.
No, I love the fish, but you know, nature needs to eat as well.
Fucking liar.
No,
Give it- This one looks hungry.
nature needs to eat, okay?
Give it to him.
Alright, wait. As soon as a magpie comes, I'm gonna throw in the air and then it's gonna, hey, yeah. Yeah, come on.
Seize it.
Oh, come on. You're close. You're close. Oh my god, you take that one? That's bones. Take this.
Throw it.
So much.
Throw it, you big head.
I'll throw that at you in a moment. Yeah.
Oh, you'll take that.
There. Have a good feed.
Nice.
Alright, that's it for today's video.